Wagwan, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy. Yeah man, welcome back to the channel. And in this update, we have Najeeriii and Vybz Kartel. So watch man, like up this video and share it up. Click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day. Big up on yourself, and if you're new to over here, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy. You see me? Yeah man, make we get into it. So viewer subscribes, as you can see, we kick this review off with Najeeriii. Yeah man, the entertainer was performing and the crowd stand still. Yeah man, them just say I look for Najeeriii like them don't know the artist or them don't even know what I must say. It don't look good, and at the end of the day, you have to understand say it's a part of being an artist. These things are gonna happen to you and you have to just learn from it. But me know the artists goodly feel away. But at the end of the day, as me say, this all comes with work. You have to just get used to it and try to better off your craft. You see me, because this also happened to Valiant recently when he did a perform in America in front of a huge crowd. So you have to just better off your craft and bounce back from this. But if you're a subscriber, pre-wagwan. So as you can see, the crowd stand up and look for Najeeriii while I perform, you know, and you can tell say the entertainer feel away. But like I said, this can happen to any artist. This can happen to any top artist. But only thing you need to do is just try to work on a stage performance even more and better for yourself, because you cannot make this hold you down. You cannot make this one performance just hold back your career, or you see me, shame or you feel a way about it. No, you have to just continue to move, continue to try to better off yourself each time you perform on a stage. You see me? Yeah man, the crowd could have show the man little love than stand up and do him. So you see me? It don't look good at all, I don't rate that. But at the end of the day, people, you see me? You have to just know how to control the audience, how to take the energy out of them where you want, and you know? Yeah man. So big up to Najeeriii, see him when you don't know, say him do good for him get the break. Him drop a lot of good songs. Most of the people them say them cannot understand it, even me. Some of the songs them cannot understand, but him go on good. You see me? Yeah man, him go on good, and I really hope say him bounce back from this. And you know, not make this hold him down. So if you're a subscriber, you can make me know think about that. And if you reach this far, remember, like up the video. Yeah man, like it up. Viewers and subscribers, we also have Jayy Progress to talk some things about Vybz Kartel. Yeah man, Vybz Kartel currently I go through some bag of things and you don't want to miss it. Jayy Progress to talk some real logical facts and you need to hear it via subscribers. See me? Yeah man, so man, stay to the end of the video and make me know what you think about it in the comment section. Let me know if you agree with Jayy Progress. See me? Yeah man, like up the video if you reach this far, and like me say, just pre-wagwan.
Begin up! Remember when me tell you know, people say Kartel come out, come put out him post the other day, you know, when him free, you know. Because the liar way ma do, the work way ma do, the Isaac Buchanan, the work way ma do, and he ma dig up some place, and he ma make something up, man, and reveal something in a Vybz Kartel case, them have to get rid of him. What you think that do to Isaac Buchanan, you know? Him credibility. He will come back and practice law after 2 years, you know. But him credibility in the legal world. If you're not careful, them start saying when mix up in a bandul or sitting and all kind of thing. Vybz Kartel, them want you dead at prison. Remember Jayy Progress tell you that. Remember, you know, how much dancehall artists ever see going in parliament. When Gaza and Gully start, right? You no tell me if you never see the government of Jamaica, whoever they were at the time, whichever year, ever have to call 2 dancehall entertainer in a parliament for secular feud. Jamaica people no fool, or am me alone an idiot? You no ever seen the history of dancehall where the government of Jamaica calling 2 dancehall entertainer, right, in a parliament to settle a feud in the street. Remember, you know, dancehall entertainer ghetto youth, you know. All the government view ghetto youth. So when Vybz Kartel and Mavado doing a parliament, uno two powerful youth. That me a try show you. As an entertainer, you cannot have them the power they will. A problem for the country. And this is why them get rid of Vybz Kartel. What do you think happened to Mavado? You see Mavado have a runway. Only two options Vybz Kartel may have. Either runway or the option where they right now. Mavado have a runway. You see what reach Mavado? You don't see. People, me tell you something, man. The influence that Vybz Kartel have is way too much for any ghetto youth have. You hear me I say? Remember, you know, me said this already, you know. Everything where them try after Vybz Kartel him bounce back on them. Number one, them can't pull no little dibby thing pan Vybz Kartel because him have this. This Vybz Kartel have make them careful with him. You hear me I say? But what them do? You have other form of psychology. Vybz Kartel, they are jailhouse and lock up. What you think them do pan him outside life when him care about so much? Him pick them. You know see what them do to him youth them? Alright. When Vybz Kartel in a prison and see what go on with him youth them, what you think Kartel are gonna do? Or you think Kartel are gonna meds? What kind of mental game you think I play in him head? Then here comes the good liar. Where I get somewhere with Vybz Kartel case, but guess what? Him a ruffle too much feathers. So when them claim to say what them say, what the liar say, for where the liar reach to right now, if get all 2-year suspension. Enough is here frustrate the liar, and him can't hold it no more. Him cup run over. Every push him push towards something, him buck up in a roadblock. But guess what? Him get a breakthrough. And him get cartel case to be earned next year. So them say we can't stop cartel case, but guess what? We can't stop cartel liar. If Vybz Kartel don't have a good legal representative, who are going to talk for him? Who are going to talk for Vybz Kartel? The really soft way. When know the case and we build up everything and we get it to where they know. You hear me I say? Alright. Them say Vybz Kartel sick in a prison. Oh, we don't know what happened to Vybz Kartel in a prison. We don't know. We have to take what them give away. Anything what them give we have to take. But guess what? Vybz Kartel, the aim, and this is another warning before the year done. Vybz Kartel, the system want kill you in a prison. Vybz Kartel, the system don't want you come out of prison. Vybz Kartel, the system know what them did have to do you to get you where you're there. But them know say them not have what to hold you where you're there. So guess what? Them are trying everything to make sure so them get rid of you and don't come back on the road. Vybz Kartel, you have too much influence. You have too much power, Vybz Kartel. People love you too much. People follow you too much and them something there. A man like you in a parliament. You are no politician. You are no police. You are no soldier. You are not them type of business executive the way over so. We are going to lick head with the system. You cannot have them power there with Vybz Kartel. And this is the reason why you see you end up where you're there. Because of the power and the influence where you have. And it is very scary. Remember, you know, you see a ghetto youth with brain, with money, and respect is the most dangerous thing in a Jamaica for any bigger heads. When you call it system. Ghetto youth with a brain, money, and power are one of them biggest fear. And Vybz Kartel have a whole of them there. Vybz Kartel, brother, you know and Jayy Progress know. Cause this is as real as it gets. Vybz Kartel. Them no want you come out of the jailhouse they alive. And one thing them want to come out of jail with Kartel and their body wrap up in a white sheet. Remember when me tell you that. And you see worse them but know say Vybz Kartel have little illness. And then it look like say him a go free for show. Because remember you know. When Vybz Kartel case we try to go you know. Vybz Kartel they road next year you know. So guess what? Make we cramp him style. him biggest support, him biggest fight. Illegal representative. Make we mash him up. Make we cripple him. 2-year suspension. When him come back, him credibility gone.
So that's what Jayy Progress had to say about the whole situation with Vybz Kartel. You see me? Yeah man, viewer, subscriber, let me know what you think about that, because if you don't understand, I'm say this already, I'll say it again. The government don't like somebody that is powerful. The government don't like somebody that can influence a lot of people. You see me? And you see, from the whole on a man like Vybz Kartel, them not gonna want to let him go, because Vybz Kartel is very, very, very powerful. You see me? Vybz Kartel can influence a lot of people. So the government not gonna want to let him go, you know, viewer, subscriber. And if you understand that, you know, that's why I tell these artists nowadays, bro, if you do music and stay out of jail. So at the end of the day, if you're a subscriber, I hope that things get better for Vybz Kartel. You see me? Yeah man, let me know what you think about that. Like up this video and share it up. Click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day. Big up on yourself and subscribe to 4K Energy. You see me?